I would highly recommend you not lie.
I'm not lying. Really? I didn't lie. I hope you lose your job, sir. You're so unprofessional.
In the vehicle that we just searched that you exited, there's narcotics in it. Tyra? Tyra, stop!
No, I'm on the phone with my lawyer!
You're...
Oh, not online!
Tyra, you're under arrest!
Why? I didn't do anything! I was telling, listen to me! I was telling his brother! I was telling his brother!
Make your hand behind your back. Stop resisting. Stop resisting me.
On June 16, 2022 in Florida, officers conducted a traffic stop on a vehicle driven by Jason due to active felony charges against him. Jason, who was heading to the courthouse, questioned the reason for the stop while officers requested his license, registration, and insurance.
Hello, how you doing?
I'm on my way to the courthouse, sir. Why am I being pulled
I
over?
understand, Jason. Do you have your license, registration, insurance, please?
Yes, I do have my license, but why am I being pulled over?
Hop on out and come talk to me then. You got your IDs and everything?
I'm on my way to the courthouse, sir.
I understand what's going on at the courthouse.
She has a stalker. I'm filing complaints.
Who's that?
She does, sir.
Okay, that's fine. That's good.
I'm not doing anything wrong.
That's your
Just
stuff.
be pulling me over for no reason every day.
Okay. Jason, come back here. I'm conducting an investigatory.
Yes, sir.
Investigatory. Off the road, please.
Yes, and something about my wallet. You guys came to my house about, or looking for me about my wallet coming up missing
Yeah,
out
you
my
filed
car.
a report,
Yes,
so I came to...
my wallet out my car.
All right. Listen, you do have the right to remain silent. Anything's taken to use against you in the court of law. You have the right to have an attorney present during any question. If you're not a foreign attorney, one may be appointed to represent you, and at any time you can decide not to answer any questions or make any statements. Okay? All right. You filed a report.
Yes,
Go ahead. Tell me about it.
Okay. I went to go get my ID. I found my license. Okay. I went to go get it. I put it in my wallet like I usually do. Okay. And my wallet came up missing. Somebody stole it out my car, so I didn't have an ID. So I went to the DMV to go get another license. I was speaking with the lady there, and she.
I would highly recommend you not lie.
Jason explained that his wallet containing his license had been stolen from his car, leading him to the DMV to obtain a new one. He filed a police report about the theft to reduce the fee for the new license. However, officers were skeptical of his story, suspecting that he lied about the theft to get the fee reduction.
I'm not lying to you, sir. I'm telling you what happened. It's my ID. Why would I lie about my ID? Okay, but what full story?
No, go ahead.
I've lost my license. Okay, somebody must have stolen it out of my car. Okay, I don't know where it got stolen at. Okay, I'm always keeping my windows open, my doors open. So there's a lot of thieves in the Mondex. Okay, you know that. Okay.
Well, I mean, you frequent certain houses, yeah.
Well, yeah, there's a lot of stealing that goes on. So I went up to the DMV to get a new license, and I told them that my license got stolen out of my car. I don't know what happened to it. It was in my wallet. I kept it right there up front. I finally found it, okay? And she told me in order for me to have a cheaper bill, that I need to go write a police report. So I went to your little police station right there on Old Kings Road and wrote a report that my wallet got taken out of my car, sir. It's not a lie.
Where did it get taken out of?
I'm not sure. I said I'm not sure.
I thought you told them it was Hidden Trail Park.
I said it could have been at the park when I was filling water up. I
Or
said
is
it
that
could
what your
have.
statement said?
I said I'm not sure if it was Hidden Trails.
So it says, and I quote,
It says
sure.
he put
You
that
didn't
on.
say it happened at Hidden
I said
Trails.
it could have happened at Hidden Trails Park. Okay, that's what I said.
Okay.
That's what I said. It could have happened there. They said, what kind of place could happen? I said, I'm not sure. It could happen at a country store, I told her. I said it could have happened at the Dollar General. It could have happened maybe at Hidden Trails when I was filling water up one day. It could have happened anywhere.
Okay. All right. So you
I'm
don't recall calling into the sheriff's office multiple times about how we stole your license.
Well, I found it after that. I did find it because I handed it to one of your officers after that, and I told them I found it, sir. Okay, and then right after that's when I lost it.
Convenient.
Yeah, so I'm not lying. I never lied to you about nothing, sir.
All right. Did you file any paperwork with the court regarding your traffic citation?
What do you mean by that, sir?
About your other tickets we gave you?
Well, that's what I was getting ready to go do now at the courthouse. I just got a ticket the other day from Mr. Green
For what?
for not having my license.
So you got a ticket for not having your license.
Yeah, so
conveniently, you reported your license stolen, so you could get another one, and you told our subject at the substation that took your police report that you were filing this report so you can get a reduced fee on a license, so you could get it for
No, that's what happened. It got stolen out my car. I kept it right there in the middle, sir.
Is there anything you wish to add to your statement?
No, sir.
All right, face your gaze for me.
You're going to arrest me for that? Are you serious? Come on now. Really?
Despite Jason's insistence that he was telling the truth, officers decided to arrest him for filing a false affidavit to the DMV. Jason protested, claiming harassment and questioning the legality of the arrest. He repeatedly asked to speak to a supervisor, maintaining his innocence.
Have a seat.
How are you gonna arrest me
Have
for
a
this?
seat before I put you in the car.
I'm going in there, sir. You can't do this. You're so unprofessional, man. You can't find a reason. So this is what you.
Tira, the passenger, said goodbye to the officers to leave.
Going to call Mr. John. He's over all dog.
Have a good night, Tyra.
However, during the arrest, officers found narcotics in the vehicle, escalating the situation.
Tyra? Tyra, stop!
No, I'm on the phone with my lawyer.
You're-
Oh, 911.
Tyra, you're under arrest.
Why? I didn't do anything.
You're under arrest.
For what I was telling.
Battery on the law enforcement. Put you on the ground.
I was telling. Listen to me. I was telling his grandmother. I was telling his grandma.
Tyra, stop resisting me.
I was telling his grandma. I didn't
Stop
do it.
resisting me, Tyra.
Listen, I didn't do
Stop
nothing.
resisting me.
I didn't do nothing.
Stop resisting me, Tyra. Place your hand behind your back. That's fine, so am I. Place your hand behind your back.
Wait, I didn't do nothing. Help! Someone help me! Help! Someone please help!
Tyra?
Listen, I can't breathe. I can't breathe. Stop! I can't breathe. Help! Please help! I can't breathe. I can't breathe. My papers and everything. I
Can
need.
you grab that phone for me?
I don't know why I need arrested.
Don't female 1015 as well.
The passenger, Tyra, became agitated and resisted the officers' attempts to detain her, insisting that she had nothing to do with the narcotics. The officers restrained Tyra and explained that she was under arrest for resisting and for previous charges.
Tyra, you are detained, which are now under arrest for.
Why? I was
If
walking
you would
down the
shut
road.
up, I will tell you.
You tell me because I got to remember.
Be quiet. I'm recording you right now, okay? In the vehicle that we just searched that you exited, there's narcotics in it. You are detained for that narcotics investigation. I told you you are detained. You ran across the road.
No!
Therefore, now that you resisted me, you are under arrest.
No, please tell me. Jason, I don't have anything to do. I swear to God.
Despite her protests and claims of innocence, they subdued her and placed her in handcuffs. Tyra's continued resistance and pleas for assistance highlighted the chaotic nature of the arrest.
Help! Help!
As the officers completed the arrest, they conducted an inventory of the vehicle, noting the presence of narcotics. Jason's earlier claims about his license theft were contrasted with the officers' accusations of false reporting, adding complexity to the situation. Ultimately, Jason was charged with filing a false affidavit to the DMV, while Tyra was charged with resisting with violence, battery on a LEO, and narcotics-related offenses. The arrests highlighted the contentious relationship between the individuals and the police, with both parties maintaining conflicting narratives.